Hello everyone and welcome to Shadow Arts. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this canvas using this paste. It comes in white color, it holds the shape, you can use palette knife with that. You can see that it's thick and smooth, flexible. You can use a cork gun to make some waves, you can make some bubbles popping from there, and you can mix it with any other colors to make, for example, beige or gray. Also you can mix it with a different color, for example to make some leaves like this, or some flower petals. You can paint on top of it when it completely dries, like this. This is not a plaster of Paris, of course, because plaster of Paris, it cracks when it dries. As you can see, the cracks. But our paste, when it dries, it's very flexible and durable, it's waterproof and never cracks. If you are interested to discover this paste, click down link in description. Also, discover my online lessons and learn how to become a professional artist, making a nice website and generating good income of money, showing you from where you get your ideas, how to make the photography of your artwork, how to use the Photoshop, prepare our website to post it, how to make our own canvases, and how to make the outer frame for the canvas to have beautiful results. So after putting our paste on the canvas, we start to spread it like butter on a toast. We make it very smooth and make sure to cover all the surface of the canvas. So if you have problem with the thickness of the paste, you can mix it with some water. For me, I get used with it and I have full control on this paste. After finishing spreading the paste, we try to reduce the strokes of the paste on the canvas, make it more flat. We take this palette knife and we make a star in the middle of the canvas, like star shape or flower, like this in the center. So basically this flower is made from 5 leaves. You can make 6 or 7, it's up to you. After that we go to each corner and we make another leaves and we follow the pattern step by step. Now I'm gonna speed up the video. Make sure you rotate all the time the canvas for a better position for your hand, to be comfortable how you gonna make these leaves, and you follow all the pattern like I said in the beginning of the video. When your palette knife become dirty and the paste accumulates on it, try to wipe it on your hand or clean it, because if you have a lot of paste on your palette knife, it will make an ugly shapes. And now we keep making these leaves until we reach the edges of the canvas. Like I said, rotate the canvas all the time, clean your palette knife with your hands, don't make the paste accumulate on it, and keep going till you reach the end, the edges of the canvas. So in art, using a palette knife to create thick paste gives a cool shadow effect. It's all about practicing, of course a lot. Keep trying, keep learning, and don't give up, even if it gets tough. With time and effort, you will get better and better. With time, dedication, and consistent effort, you're gonna improve. So you need to keep pushing forward and you will see progress along the way. And now we reached the edges of the canvas and soon we're gonna finish from our project. Our canvas is dry after 1 day. It dries and it looks very nice. I can touch the texture and feel it. But every canvas needs a frame, so I made this frame and I made some stain and I just sand it from the sides to give an antique effect. So now we need a frame for our art. We take our sanding machine and we start to sand our woods. This process will remove all the harshness from the wood. It will look smoother and much better. We take 4 sides and we cut them 45 degrees each to give us this shape. So 45 from each side. And after good measurement, we check on our canvas and our frame is gonna fit properly. But we need to change the color. We take our frame and we take a stain with a sponge and we wipe each side equally, like this. Already did it. After that you take sanding paper and we sand all the edges of the canvas to give us some antique rusty effect, and the wood look lighter from the edges and honestly it's look much better. After finishing making the frame, we put our canvas inside it. You just need to pop it inside and everything will look nice and beautiful. Just let me know what you think about this canvas, and of course you are welcome to leave your comments in the comment section. So like I mentioned previously, if you would like to discover this paste, click down link in description. Also you're gonna find another videos showing you how to be a professional artist and help you to grow your career. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time. Bye bye.